For my compound machine design, I made a Rube Goldberg machine that can close doors. This is the full image of my machine. I'll tell you how it works. The first step is for me to pull a rope which is connected to the ceiling, and it's on a pulley, which is used by two electrical plastic pieces. And on the other end of the rope is a crayon box, which will hit a wedge once I let go of the rope. The resistance force is on the crayon box trying to pull down, and the effort force is what I use to pull it. Once the crayon box is let go of, it will hit the wedge, and that will be the effort force. And the resistance force is the wedge going through a tube, which will then hit a lever. And the wedge is four wood shims taped together, and there is a cotton ball that's keeping the wedge at the top of the tube so that it doesn't fall in. Once the crayon box hits the wedge, the cotton ball will be released and the wedge can go through the tube, and it will then hit the lever, which is the third simple machine. And the lever is a spatula that and the fulcrum is the end of a hammer that is on my bookshelf. And the wedge hitting the spatula is the effort force, and then the resistance force is what happens once that occurs. Then the spatula will hit the ramp that the ball will roll down. After the lever hits the ramp, that will cause the baseball to roll down it because it is stopped by a small piece of tape which is on the ramp. The ramp is made out of a cardboard box which is taped together and formed so that the ball can't roll off the sides. The way that the ramp goes is first it goes down, but then it ramps back up as an inclined plane, which is the fourth simple machine, and then it goes back down once again and declines. After the baseball is done rolling down the ramp, it will fly off of it and hit a book, which then will hit a box which has a golf club in it. And the golf club has a string attached to it, which is also attached to a door. And then once the book falls over onto the box with the golf club, it will knock over the golf club, and it will then pull the door closed.